Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of Birdie Disc Golf Board. Make sure to watch till the end of the video to know our final verdict if this golf board is worth it. Birdie Disc Golf Board Overview. Birdie Disc Golf Board game is a fun game that gets you to play with your friends around the house, making it perfect for indoor entertainment. It comes with essential disc golf accessories, and you play with 2 to 6 players. It also comes with 2 game boards, 6 wooden marker discs, 18 player cards, 6 six-sided dice, scorecards, karma cards, safe shot chips, and other essential accessories. There is an instruction booklet that comes with it, thus you are well guided on how to go about it. The proportional holes and tight roller charts make the board more beautiful. It is easy to read the clean tee, the putting roll charts, and the reversed roll chart numbers. What we liked: you can play with your friends at home. It allows you to play with up to 6 people. What we didn't like: it is difficult to play the game. The game has many rules. Features: portable and lightweight. The Birdie Disc Golf Board is portable as it only weighs 2.23 kilograms and the dimensions are 27.1 by 26.8 by 6.9 centimeters. Therefore, you can enjoy and play disc golf anywhere. Design: the Birdie Disc Golf Board is designed with proportional holes and tight roller charts that make it beautiful. The roll chart numbers are reversed, and the putting roll charts and tee are clean, so they are easy to read. It is also designed to be played by 2 to 6 players. Karma cards: the Birdie Disc Golf Board comes with karma cards, which help you improve your skill and shots. You can use them to avoid trouble and keep playing. Who is the Birdie Disc Golf Board best suited to? The Birdie Disc Golf course is suited for board game enthusiasts. It is portable and lightweight. Verdict: should you get the Birdie Disc Golf Board? The downside of the game is that it has many rules, thus some players might find it difficult to grasp. But over and above that, the Birdie Disc Golf Board is portable, lightweight, and durable. Thus, you should buy the Birdie Disc Golf Board if you are an outdoor or indoor board game enthusiast. Thanks for watching.